and welcome back to NewTuber Advice. And in this video we are going to be talking about face cameras. So the first question on everybody's minds is, should you get a face camera? Now, I have talked about this one a lot in the past before. Now, back in 2017, I actually got a face camera, and it's literally just down there. And I've had that camera. I've actually had that camera since then. I've not bought another one or anything like that. I've only had that one, and I've used it for a lot of things. I've used it mainly for live streams, mainly, and it's quite like a decent camera. Now, the first time that I did use it, I wasn't very good with it. I wasn't very good with it, by the way. I wasn't using it right for some reason, and I wasn't using it properly. But since then, I've started using it more, and I've got better at using it now. And I haven't used it all the time, by the way. I've only used it for occasionally reasons. Like, that's only really the time that I've used it. But it is quite a decent camera. So I would recommend buying one of these cameras, by the way, because this is a very powerful face cam. So I recommend buying this, by the way. So it has 1080p and it has full HD on this. So I would recommend getting one of these face cams because it is really good. There is no lag at all. So I would recommend one of these. But it's a very good camera. I got it all those years ago, and it's a very good camera. And I haven't used it as much, like, at the moment, but when I was doing lots of gaming live streams, I was using it a lot because I wanted to use it. But at the same time, I don't want to use it all the time. So when I was doing the multiplayer server live stream series with Nathan, I didn't use it for that because I feel like that talking to someone through headsets isn't suitable for having a face cam in a way. But when I was doing streams on my own, I wanted to have face cam on so you guys can see me playing the game, looking into the game and all that sort of thing. That's what I wanted. I'm just going to move on to some advice now about face cameras if you didn't know about them. So the main thing is make sure you use your face cam properly, by the way. Because otherwise, if you don't, then it's not going to end very, very well if you're not using it right. So make sure it's your face that we are seeing, not the half of your body or anything like that, because we don't want to be seeing that. And make sure we're not seeing your bedroom or anything like that, half of your room or anything like that. I know that when I've been using it, you have seen half of my bedroom, but obviously that's the type it is, by the way, because there is quite a few different face cameras. There's not just this one, there's lots of different ones. So, but at the end of the day, at least it's still your face we are seeing, by the way, and not anything else. So, I make sure you're just well lit, by the way, because otherwise, if you're not very lightable enough, then we won't see you, by the way. And I've actually got a powerful lit device anyway, which is that thing up there, by the way. That's very powerful, that thing, by the way, that I've got. I've also got another one as well over there, that's like a very small one. So I've got two of those. So that means my face cam will be very, very powerful lit when I am gaming and all that sort of thing. And in the future, I'm definitely going to be using it more because I want to use it more. And that's the plan. Now, I have, now lots of my live streams have been without face cam. Just because that as I mentioned, going back to what I was saying earlier, about that I didn't want to use it all the time. So I wanted to have some streams with no face cam on, because I didn't want it on at the time. So I've kind of like sort of like mixed it up a little bit. But the thing that I found with face cameras is they are very good to use, but I think my recommendation is I wouldn't use them all the time. Now, if you're doing like a video like this that I'm doing now, or if you're doing like a different type of video, or like a vlog or something like that, then obviously that's different. You can use it all the time then, whenever you want to use it. So it's different in certain ways with them. But there is a lot of people that don't even have them, because they're not interested. They don't want to see their revealed kind of beautiful face. So it's kind of a way that people don't want to see them, and they haven't done a face reveal. So yeah, just make sure if you've got one, by the way, if you've got a face cam like what I've got, just make sure that you're using it in the right way, because otherwise it wouldn't go down as a success. And yeah, so make sure you do that. And try not be like nervous or scared looking at the camera as well, because I have done that a lot before. So I'll try not recommend doing that either, and try and like focus on the camera as well. So it is very powerful, but make sure that you're using it in the right way and on the right mark, and then you'll have a success. Hopefully this piece of advice has helped. And yeah, so let me know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.